Have you ever taken a zinc supplement thinking it's a magic pill for your health, only to feel worse later? What if I told you that one tiny mistake with zinc could silently damage your body for months without you even noticing? Today, we're going to uncover the big zinc mistake that almost everyone makes, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it before it's too late. But wait, before I reveal the mistake, let's rewind and understand why zinc became so popular in the first place. Part 1. Why zinc became so popular. Zinc, a mineral that suddenly became the superstar of the supplement world. During the pandemic, searches for zinc benefits skyrocketed. Doctors recommended it, influencers hyped it, supplement companies made billions. Why? Because zinc truly plays a critical role in strengthening the immune system, healing wounds, improving skin health, supporting testosterone and fertility, even protecting your sense of taste and smell. Sounds amazing, right? Almost too good to be true. But here's where the story takes a dangerous turn, because people thought if some zinc is good, then more zinc must be even better. And that right there is the seed of the big zinc mistake. Part 2. The big zinc mistake. Here it is. The big mistake is simple yet devastating. Taking too much zinc or taking it the wrong way. Most people don't know that the recommended daily intake of zinc is only 811 mg for adults. But many supplements contain 30 mg, 50 mg, even 100 mg per serving. People take these high doses daily, believing they're boosting immunity. Days depot. So what happens? At first, nothing seems wrong. In fact, you might feel more energetic for a while, but slowly something invisible begins. Too much zinc actually blocks the absorption of copper, another vital mineral. Without enough copper, your body can't make healthy red blood cells, protect nerves, maintain strong bones, and keep your heart rhythm stable. This creates a silent, creeping deficiency. Months later, you might suddenly face unexplained fatigue, numbness or tingling in hands and feet, weak immune system, ironically, anemia, even neurological problems. And here's the shocking twist: doctors often misdiagnose it. They test your blood, see your zinc levels are normal, and never realize copper is the missing piece. So you keep swallowing zinc pills and digging yourself into a deeper hole. Scary? Yes, but it gets worse. Part 3. Real life stories. Meet John, a 32-year-old who started taking zinc every day because he heard it boosts testosterone. For the first 2 months, he felt unstoppable, more energy at the gym, clearer skin, fewer colds. But by month 4, strange symptoms appeared. His hands tingled at night, his workouts felt harder, he caught colds more often. His doctor ran tests, but everything seemed fine. By the time he discovered it was copper deficiency from excess zinc, he had already damaged his nerves. Now, think about it. How many people out there are unknowingly living John's story right now? And maybe, could you be one of them? Part 4. The science behind zinc, copper. Let's break it down simply. Zinc and copper are like siblings fighting for the same chair at the dinner table. When you take too much zinc, it hogs the seat, leaving copper standing with nowhere to go. The result? Your copper absorption plummets. Your iron metabolism suffers. Your nervous system loses protection. Your skin, hair, and even heart begin to pay the price. Here's the kicker. Even if you eat copper-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and organ meats, zinc overpowers them. Supplements simply flood the body faster than food ever could. It's like trying to whisper while someone is shouting. Copper never stands a chance. Part 5. The right way to take zinc. So, does this mean you should never take zinc? Absolutely not. Zinc is powerful when taken correctly. Here are the rules that separate health from disaster. 1. Stick to safe doses. For most adults, 811 mg daily is enough. 2. Don't megadose unless specifically prescribed by a doctor. 3. Pair zinc with copper. Ideally, a supplement should have both. Common ratio 10. 1. Zinc, copper. Don't take zinc on an empty stomach. It can cause nausea. Always take with food. 5. Cycle your use. Don't use high doses every day for months. Take breaks. Remember, Supplements should fill gaps, not replace balance. Part 6. Hidden signs. You're making the mistake. You might be making the zinc mistake if you notice metallic taste in your mouth, frequent nausea or upset stomach, sudden drop in appetite, unexplained weakness, trouble concentrating, pale skin. Any of these could be your body whispering, something's wrong. But the whisper will not last forever. Soon it turns into a scream. Part 7. The takeaway. So here's the truth. The big zinc mistake isn't about zinc being bad. It's about misunderstanding its power. Too little zinc and your immune system collapses. Too much zinc and you silently destroy copper balance, risking your nerves, blood, and heart. The key is balance, moderation, knowledge. Now you know what 90% of people don't. You've seen the hidden dangers, the signs, and the solutions. But here's the final question. If you've been taking zinc, how do you really know if you're safe? The only way to find out is to test, adjust, and protect yourself starting today. Because the biggest mistake of all would be ignoring what you've just learned.